Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Brio S19VF. Here at Out and About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out and About family. Now that you have your brand new Brio, it's time to open it. Simply open the box and check around to see what side the wheels are on. Lay the box flat so that the wheels are facing the ground. Carefully pull out the scooter. Press the power button on the panel and the button on your left handlebar of your scooter to turn the power on. Once the power is on, press the red foot lever on the side of the scooter for 3 seconds and your Brio will automatically unfold. Unfold the backrest and raise the armrests. Your Brio uses fob key technology. Press the key to the power button to switch on your scooter. In the box, you will have received a charger. Connect the cable to the battery box. Your charger is located below the seat of your Brio. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Brio. This will help protect your Brio from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If your battery indicator shows red, you will need to leave it to charge. We recommend charging your scooter overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. If your battery indicator shows green, your battery is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, your battery is well charged. On yellow, consider charging. On red, you have low charge and will need to charge your scooter. Your Brio has a user-friendly display including a fob key start, speed dial, horn and a battery gauge. Your headlight button is underneath your panel on the tiller. To switch your headlights on, flick the button to on. To switch them off, flick the button to off. Your Brio has an adjustable tiller. To increase the height, simply loosen the knob and pull the tiller up. Tighten the tiller at your desired height. To decrease the height, unscrew the knobs and push the tiller down, tightening again at the desired height. To switch on your hazard lights, push the button on your right handlebar until it turns red. This activates your hazard lights. To switch them off, push the button again until it returns to blue. To activate freewheel mode on your scooter, locate the red lever above the back right wheel arch. Push the lever up to activate freewheel mode. This means you'll be able to push your scooter manually. To take it off, simply push the lever down again. Make sure your scooter is off before activating freewheel mode. If you leave your scooter on, you'll need to switch it off and restart it to re-engage the brakes. In the event of travel, you may need to remove the battery. If you have plans to travel, we recommend purchasing an additional cable for your Brio. This is so you can fold your scooter and still remove the battery. Your battery is located below your seat. To release the battery, turn the key to unlock. Carefully pull the battery out. Connect the cable to the scooter and connect the other side to the battery. Now you'll be able to fold your scooter. Once folded, disconnect the battery. We recommend leaving the cable connected to your scooter. To unfold your scooter, reconnect the battery reinsert the battery and lock it into position with the key. To fold your scooter, fold the chair and armrest down. Press the red foot lever on the side of your scooter for 3 seconds and your Brio will automatically fold. If you have any questions with your new Brio, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.